Hello and good day everyone. Good morning everyone. For today's video, I would like to take you around again this morning. Our agenda mga kaibigan, maglakad-lakad, mag-ikot-ikot at punta ng beach. So, this is our third day here in Migalov, Mallorca, Spain. This hotel is called Kathmandu Resort. It's very famous resort because inside of the resort has kids water park, and also they got another theme that it's called Upside Down Kathmandu Library. So this morning is quiet, chilly, but it's beautiful sunny day. So this Kathmandu resort is close by where we stayed. So, it's beautiful resort, to be honest mga kaibigan. At ito po yung mga dinadaanan namin. Kathmandu resort is close by to Aldi, side street store. It's not a lot though the store open. So, ito po napansin namin yung gilid po ng hotel. We spot this one, yung kanilang statue na nagka-climb sa kanilang hotel, sa gilid ng hotel. Is really amazed kami na dalawa ni Briton kasi is unique. So, ayan po siya. Tinatawag nilang Kathmandu. Is very popular dito yan sa sa Mallorca, Spain. This place is called Kathmandu Upside Down House. But apparently they're not open yet. They're closed during winter time. They will open summertime. Beside of this hotel mga kaibigan, Kathmandu, so many outdoor activities you can book. Especially they have cave, explore, and also you can do scuba diving, you can go to water park, also you can go swimming in the beach, and also you can do water sports and everything, etc. And then they got some nice place you can go for picnic or boating. Marami pong mga mga kaibigan, mga activities. Marami namang nagtitinda ng mga ticket boat dyan sa kanilang gilid-gilid na daan mga kaibigan. So, ito lang po talagang yung ma-share ko sa inyo mga kaibigan. Ito po yung daan na ito, papuntang na po to, beach mga kaibigan, kasi gusto ni Briton everyday naglalakad po kami to get nice fresh air, makapag-exercise na din para maaliw-aliw din namin yung aming sarili, and then nakapag-exercise pa, diba? So ayan mga kaibigan, nandito na po kami sa tabing dagat, and then we seen this parang Pirates Caribbean siya na ship. Kaso lang sirado nga talaga mga kaibigan, hindi pa talaga open talaga mga kaibigan. So mostly na mga bar and restaurant sa tabing dagat or seaside, they're shut. So ayan, kami lang ni Briton, wala masyadong katao-tao dyan. Malinis naman yung kanilang beach. So, they have a nice fine sand naman siya. So, ito po yung ating view for this morning. Current time here, mga kaibigan, about 10 o'clock in the morning. After breakfast po, ayan, dumiretso na kami naglakad-lakad dito ni Briton to get exercise talaga. So, ayan po yung agenda namin everyday. So, ayan, nagtingin-tingin muna kami dyan. Nagikot-ikot dyan mga kaibigan. Nanguna na po nga dyan si Briton sa akin. Iniwanan na po ako. So, thank you so much pala sa mga kaibigan nating mga members, and also po sa mga subscriber ko, mga bagong subscriber. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-subscribe at saka pagsuporta sa akin. Sana hindi pa kayo magsasawa sa pag-support po sa aming channel. Samahan niyo po kami mga kaibigan sa aming travel journey here in Mallorca, Spain. Marami po kaming kaganapan ni Briton dito mga kaibigan. Parang ito po mga kaibigan, parang Valentine's date na din namin. And also anniversary namin, 12 years engagement anniversary. So, umaga-umaga pa lang dito na kami ni Brito nagdi-date sa tabing dagat to get vitamin C. Gala-galore si Briton mga kaibigan at nagpa-fog na this afternoon. For today, mini vlog, we here at the beach. But apparently, it's foggy. You can't see the port that we've been last time, like a seaport down there. And then around it's very quiet beach because
zombies.
Si Rahul,
Zombie.
run. Yeah, you cannot see the nice accommodation there or hotel, or that one that side, the far end is completely foggy. It's been going on for since lunchtime na.
This afternoon.
Yeah. So that's it really. Britain wanted to walk around. That's already. It's already like about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I guess. So you can hear the horn. Means making sure the ship not hit the rocks, because it's very foggy. It's low tide as well, no?
High tide.
How can high tide?
Because it's past the hill. Low tide further away. That's perfect.
Yeah, I think. Babe, look at me. Stop it.
That reeks.
Yeah. Sobrang mabaho.
Sewage or something?
Yeah. Kinamay na ni Dodong. I think so, yeah. You want some, babe? I like the then.
Eso es salsa verde, ajo y perejil, aceite de ajo y perejil.
Sí, esto he venido al revés.
Ah,
Ha entrado por el lado contrario,
Por el contrario, pero si no quiere eso, no es malo que yo me coja.
¿Y esto qué es, por favor? ¿Qué es, por favor? Nada. ¿Esto qué es?
Eso es cordón muy
Hay más pescado.